What's up, Built by London crew? I got some for y'all. Okay, so y'all saw like my trailer videos and stuff like that. So I've been having a really bad problem. So y'all don't know, but during sick week when we left on February 4th on my birthday, my transmission went out. And then what else? So the fourth my birthday, and then the trailer got stolen the next day. Next day it got recovered and just got in a wreck. But let's go back to February 4th on my birthday. Transmission went out. Man, let me tell you, I was seeing like 200 something degree Fahrenheit trans temps, man. It was bad, bro. It was real bad. But I bought something to prevent that from happening. But we ended up getting a new transmission. It's used. It had like 70,000 miles on it. And then I also went to GM. I got the thermostat that go on the side of the transmission. I got the revised one that's not supposed to make the transmission get as hot. So just the other day, I saw this. Oh, hey guys, didn't know y'all was there. Hey, but I need y'all to do me 4 things. I need y'all to like, share, comment, and the big main thing is subscribe. I need y'all to watch my videos. Let's get monetized. And then when I do get monetized, everybody's happy. We can do giveaways. We can do whatever is gonna make everybody happy. Peace, y'all. When I saw that, I was like, man, I gotta figure this out ASAP. I want something quick, easy, and it will look nice. So I made a purchase. I bought a trans cooler. Let's open it up and see what's inside. There's the pup. Man, they really did package this good though. Some instructions and hose. The brackets, hose clamps, my air freshener, and something else, I don't know. And the lines that I'm gonna have to use to reroute my factory lines. And the actual cooler. Let's open it up and look at it. And just for warranty purposes, we're just gonna look at this together. I mean, it don't look too bad from shipping and packaging. Alright guys, so, we just unboxed the Mishimoto trans cooler, right? So I just have my trailer is empty. There's a 20-foot dovetail, right? And I got it in tow haul, and this is what it's doing empty. Now, granted, I am driving through the city, but imagine, I thought it just went to 179, but imagine if something was on the back. So I'm on my way right now to go pick up Pontiac GA. All right, y'all, so it's at 187 now, and now I also have the G8 on the back. So we'll see. I only got a little bit more ways to go, but we'll see if it'll go up or go down. But I'll let y'all know as soon as I pull up to the shop where we're dropping it off at. Well, hold on. Made it to my destination, so got the car on the back. Got a Fredo punk ass. But yeah, so 190 degrees is what it gets, and yeah. So, but next part of this video. What's up, YouTube? Now it's time to work on this thing. I still gotta change the brakes in Jazz car, so try to get that done tonight. And I gotta make a couple bucks helping my friend out with his car before tonight. I just gotta do like an oil pan and 2 more mounts. So, but this, it's not gonna take, that's not gonna take that long. So, let's get to it. I'm gonna show y'all something. So I'm thinking Mishimoto is about to hate me for what I'm about to do. Y'all see this M? Watch this. That M is about to get traced over. with my logo. So in the grill you can see BBLR. So let me get to taping it off so I can spray it in that area, and then we can go from there. All right, so I got it taped off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just spray this inside, let it dry, and I'm gonna put my stencil back on top, peel the tape off, and then I'm just gonna go around what I did, and if I have to spray it again, then I'll do that, but we'll see how this goes. Just a sec. But yeah, so let me get started. All right, well, I got the paint over there drying. Let's go ahead and pop these panels off. These little clips, you can just pry them up, pick them up, and then once you pick up the cover, they all come up. So I'm gonna knock out all of those that you see, and I'll be back. For you Silverado people, I know, like, so don't mind the curb rash. It's got to get fixed at some point, but I'm trying to get all the money out of those people, so I won't have to pay a deductible. But for the Silverado people, we don't have that little trim piece that the GMC has on the Mishimoto's video. So all we got to do is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then what I do is I pull from here and here, it's straight out, and then it pops out. Since I left my freaking drill at the storage, so I got everything off now. So all I need to do is go to storage and get that. But what I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna finish this over here. Go ahead and put my logo on there and paint and see what it look like, and then we're gonna go from there. Well guys, it's done. I don't know if y'all can see that because the screen is in the sun, so I can't see that, but yeah, I mean, I guess I did a pretty good job on that. But I figured out something, but I'll tell y'all about that later. But I'm gonna go run and get the drill so I can drill a hole in there, and I'll get back with y'all. All right, for you guys that's like me that has a cold air intake, you gotta get this box out, or if you got the stock box, you have to get the stock box out, because that one down there, you gotta undo that one as well. So, and then you also gotta undo this one right here. So let's get that knocked out. Hey, with y'all's pick, you need to come over here, pull this off, and then with your pick, you need to hit this little pin that's right here that looks like that. Hit it right there and pop it right on out, and then hold on, let me figure out how to pop this thing out without pulling that other part of that line. Guys, I went in and did this part, but I can't get it off right now. Oh, what the fuck, bro? It was stuck. I promise you, it was stuck. Like, I highly promise you, it was stuck. Okay, so on to the next part is I went ahead and stuck that on there and drilled the hole. I used this 2-inch drill bit. I know they use like a step up bit, but it did the same job. So I'm about to peel this part off. Now I just put the rubber grommets in. Okay, so I put the first one through, which is that one down there, that new line right there with the new little ring thing in it. And then now I'm about to put this one in this way. So it's gonna go this way. So this little piece is gonna be sticking up in the air. All right, kids. So that other one goes here, and it goes through there. And then that other line that we disconnected earlier goes into that new line that we put down on the lower side. And now let's connect the hoses to it. All right, guys. So Mishimoto, I know I X'd out your M, but I still got you right here. I still got you over there, so hey, you know. But yeah, I think the installation's complete because I got it there, got it there, I got it there. Yeah, and now I just gotta reinsert everything else, and yeah, I should be good to go. But I'm gonna clean some of this stuff up, and also I'm gonna drain the transmission fluid that is in the truck right now. Do that before I run the transcooler, because I know I put that fluid that's in there now That fluid in there that's in there now is from when we swapped the trans and it had all that stuff in it. So I want to go ahead and put a new filter in it. You already seen this, so you don't have to see this again. So I'm just gonna do that. But hey, that ends the video, y'all. So I think that's all I have to do. I mean, I might try to put these Vikings on, but who knows? I probably won't do that. It might take too much time. But hey, y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, comment, tell your friends, tell your mama, tell your daddy, and peace. I'll holler at y'all later. Oh yeah, I forgot to show y'all. Can't even see it. You gotta like look up in there to see it. But hey, it is what it is. It's there. You can kind of see it. But bye guys. And I think this guy's gonna do the outro for y'all. King, hey, tell them what you need them to do so we can buy you new toys and stuff. Okay. All right. Bro, I know. Okay. So let me translate that for them. Okay. Hold on. No, hold on. Wait. Hey. Oh, I'm in my room, y'all. It's messy. So I'm a boy. I'm a man, not a boy. Okay. So King said, can y'all please like, share, subscribe, and comment and tell everybody? Because he wants new toys. We need new toys. So thank y'all guys. See y'all later.